Hi, Pierce here. Today I'm going to show you guys my new LEGO armored car. Now, what I envision an armored car to be in my army is more of a recon vehicle. Now, this vehicle is more inclined to scout out an enemy's position and provide some fire support. And basically avoid getting into frontal confrontation with like main enemy units. So yeah. So let's get started with the front of the vehicle. Now this vehicle does have some armor, some light armor plate, but it just basically just meant to protect against small arms, so yeah. You also have some headlights, and you got 2 periscopes for the driver. Yeah, some mud guards. And yeah, I got this sloped armored effect from this is it Creo piece? I got it from this Creo piece that can fold up like this to create this angled armored effect, which actually the angled effect makes the increases armor protection, as like if you have like a straight armored plate like this, the compared to when it's slanted, the if a shell comes right into the armor plate, it would have less metal to go through the armor plate and into the vehicle. But when it's slanted, there's more armor for the shell to go through, so you increase protection. So here's one of my secrets on how to get that sort of angled look, design onto a armored Lego plate. Moving on to the sides. You have a total of 6 wheels, so this is a 3x3. You have an antenna for communications that can fold up and down, so if you are in a confrontation, you can fold this down to allow the turret to move unobstructed. If you need to communicate enemy locations, you can raise this up and communicate. So yeah. Other side is basically the same, and at the back you have the engine compartment with exhaust, and you also have a coupling here if you want to tow some artillery or other equipment around. Now the top part of the vehicle is where things become a little bit more interesting. So over here you have a hatch for the driver. Actually, I made this tank to have a crew of 2. You have a driver and a commander. Now this turret is more of a it's more automated, so there's no crew members. The crew members are inside the chassis. I envision this turret to be more automated, so the commander basically controls the turret and all the functions. The computers and machines on this turret mount do basically all the loading and aiming, so just futuristic technology just like put into this turret. And yeah, moving on to the turret again. With most of my vehicles, you have a 360-degree rotation. This vehicle also has a the gun can elevate, depress, and if you look closely, this turret also has a another viewport here for the commander when he's moving the gun. You have more sensors for the gun to help with its aiming. And yeah, the primary armament of this vehicle is a 40mm Bofors autocannon. So basically this can shred up light vehicles, infantry, and since it can elevate really high too, you can also qualify this vehicle for an AA vehicle. Also mounted with a coaxially with the autocannon is a light machine gun, so you have increased anti-infantry capability. Also, this vehicle is equipped with smoke smoke grenades, smoke grenade launchers. So if this vehicle's in trouble, it can launch these smoke launchers and mask its position and escape. This mount also has some light shielding for protection against some shrapnel, but yeah, it's I guess it's okay to have this turret mount a little bit more exposed, because it's not really meant to be in direct combat. But yeah, and it's automated, highly automated. Here with the engine compartment again, you also have a periscope for the back, like a viewport for the back that's connected to the driver, so he can see if there's anyone trying to stalk the vehicle from behind. So yeah, this is my new Lego Armored car. I have been pretty busy over the past couple of weeks with school, and finally I've been able to create something new. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great holiday.